Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You must start by pairing necessary prerequisites with immediate action. First, confirm you can do multivariable derivatives, integrals, and basic ODE work. If not, patch those in short focus sessions. Next, inventory mechanics and electromagnetism gaps and mark high-yield topics. Then build a 12-week study calendar with 1 2-hour daily blocks and a weekly free response practice slot. Once set, gather a calculus textbook problems, and past FRQs so you can begin solving real exam-style questions right away. Now intensify with deliberate practice that builds exam fluency. You should alternate derivations and numerical problems, derive formulas, test limiting cases, and enforce correct sign conventions. Once comfortable, run timed mixed topic sets. Aim for 90-minute blocks replicating exam pressure and allocate about half the time to heavy quantitative work. Make past APC problems your core resource, solve them, then compare solutions while annotating missing steps. If you're stuck, slow down, rederive assumptions, and make sure to write clear justifications as you would on the exam. Finish by consolidating with full-time simulations and focused fixes. You need at least 2 full exams under real conditions. Score them, then prioritize the weakest topics for targeted review. Keep an error log that categorizes mistakes, algebra, concepts, units, and schedule short 30-60-minute repairs. Before the test, review a compact formula sheet so recall is automatic. If things go wrong during review, panic, or plateaus, use the troubleshooting tip. Step away for 20 minutes, breathe, then return to one small problem to rebuild momentum.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.